Good evening, ma'am. I am Allegra Preseljoy, and as a future public servant, I believe that many competencies, skills, and values will contribute greatly to effective office and systems management in government service. These qualities are important because public offices must function efficiently while maintaining transparency and accountability to the people. First, I have strong organizational and time management skills. In public service, offices handle many documents, transactions, and deadlines. For example, by using proper record keeping systems and scheduling tasks effectively, I can help ensure the services such as processing permits or responding to citizens' requests are done faster and without unnecessary delays. This promotes efficiency in delay operations. Second, I value professionalism and competence in communication. Clear communication is essential in coordinating with colleges, supervisors, and the public for instance. Providing accurate and responding respectfully to inquiries help build trust and prevents misunderstandings, which supports transparency in government transactions. Third, I am committed to integrity and ethical service. Accountability begins with honesty and responsibility. For example, I will ensure that government resources are used properly and that decisions are based on rules and policies, not personal interests. This helps prevent corruption and strengthens accountability in public institutions. Fourth, I have skills in problem solving and adaptability. Public officers often face challenges such as systems inefficiencies or public complaints. By analyzing issues and suggesting improvements, such as adopting digital systems for faster processing, I can contribute to better service delivery. Lastly, I uphold the values of public service, such as fairness, respect, and dedication, treating all citizens equally, regardless of status, ensures that services are exclusive and just. In conclusion, my competencies in organization, communication, integrity, problem solving, and commitment to ethical values will allow me to contribute the efficient office management, transparent systems, and accountable public service. As a future public servant, my goal is to serve with responsibility and to help build a government that truly works for the people. Thank you and God bless.